Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 3 ways to make money with Bitcoin without investment. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Are you looking for ways to make money without spending anything? This is something you can do with Bitcoin. People are looking for ways to make money without having to invest a lot of money because of the way the economy is right now. This is something you can do with Bitcoin. Here are 3 ways to make money with Bitcoin that don't require you to invest. 1. Bitcoin faucets. A website that gives out small amounts of Bitcoin is called a Bitcoin faucet. Most of the time, these amounts are very small, but they can add up over time. To start using a Bitcoin faucet, you will need to make a Bitcoin wallet. You will need to find a Bitcoin faucet once you have a wallet. There are a lot of Bitcoin faucets to choose from. FreeBitco.in and Moon Bitcoin are 2 of the more well-known ones. You can go to bitcointalk.org to see a full list of Bitcoin faucets. 2. Bitcoin PTC websites. Using Bitcoin PTC sites is another way to make money with Bitcoin. These sites work the same way that PTC sites have always worked. The only difference is that they pay you in Bitcoin instead of real money. For a Bitcoin PTC site to work, you will need to make a Bitcoin wallet. You will need to find a Bitcoin PTC site once you have a wallet. There are a lot of Bitcoin sites to choose from. Bitcoin Clicks and BitVisitor are 2 of the more well-known ones. You can go to bitcointalk.org to see a full list of Bitcoin PTC sites. 3. Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining is the process of checking Bitcoin transactions and adding them to the Bitcoin blockchain. Miners, which are computers that run special software, do this work. Miners get paid in Bitcoin for the work they do. So in order to start mining Bitcoin, you will need to buy a Bitcoin mining rig. This is a computer made especially for mining Bitcoin. You will need to find a Bitcoin mining pool once you have a Bitcoin mining rig. And there are many pools for mining Bitcoin. Slashpool and Antpool are 2 of the more well-known ones. You can go to bitcointalk.org to see a full list of Bitcoin mining pools. With Bitcoin, you can make money without having to invest. There are a lot of ways to do this, and each one has its own pros and cons. You'll have to choose the method that works best for you. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description box to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.